Welcome to Learn Deeper. This is my first video and first video of this series also. In this channel we are going to learn Python in a deeper level. What is this deeper level? Just imagine you are going to learn how to drive a car and the instructor instructs you where is that clutch, where is the accelerator, how to handle the steering wheel and all. But will they teach you how they are working inside? No, right? So that's what we are going to deal with. We are going to learn Python from the basic level, but initially we are just going into a deep knowledge. Okay, so I'm very new to this YouTube channel, so please support me by click on that subscribe button. Okay, so here we go. Okay, what is language used in a computer? What is this? Okay, if we want to read it, yeah, you can read it. So I'm going to tell him. Just imagine you're a boss, you're on a company, you have one employee, like for an example, you have one employee and you want certain tasks should be completed by him. So how will you instruct him? Through the medium of knowledge, the language, right? Yeah, you can use any language, but it's the medium, right, to instruct him to complete that specific task. Okay, now get back. Here, the boss is you and the employee is your computer. Yeah, computer is the most powerful thing even than as the for most calculations, but it didn't have the knowledge to work itself. So we are the one who is going to provide the instructor. So how we can provide the instructions? Through languages. That's it. That's why we need a language. Okay. So here we having Python, JavaScript, Squirrel, Java, PHP, C, Ash, C++, TypeScript and Ruby and all that. Okay. So there are numerous of languages currently in the world when it comes to the computer languages. Okay, we'll go further. In the computer language we have some type of languages like machine languages, assembly languages, and we are having low level language and we are having high level language. What is machine language? Machine language, it is directly understood by the CPUs. Okay, made up of only binary code which has a base of 2, means 2 characters, 0 and 1. Okay, it is the lowest language, it is the lowest, there is nothing lower than this. Okay, machine language. Above that we are having the assembly language. Okay, which is small, which is small step above machine languages. Okay, requires an assembler to convert it to machine code. Okay, uses like mode and A and B, which is a previous version of C. Okay, basically it was an assembly, like it is above than machine language. Okay, we'll go further. What is markup language? See, there is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Yeah, how you know it's a 2? We know that when we add 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, it's a logic, right? So how you represent it? Using markup languages. Okay, there is this markup language has nothing to do with the logic, but it has to do with the structuring data, like how you arrange the data. We are having an example of HTML and XML. Okay, which is HTML hypertext markup language and XML just Google it. Okay, query language. What is this query language? In your school days you have been given a paragraph, right? In that paragraph, from that paragraph you have to get some details, like answer the questions which is given below. According to that paragraph you have the answers in that paragraph. You just want to take the answer from that, right? You're taking the answer, right? Taking the answer. In that we will change the answer to data. We are taking the data. how we are taking the data with the help of query languages. We have the example of SQL, which is structured query language. Okay, then we are come to a question: why should we learn Python language? Why man? Why? Okay, Python is a small choice. How? If you are new, a brand new baby, to learn how to code in computers, then Python is the smart choice. It's a powerful tool, but it is very easy to learn compared to other languages. I said compared to other languages, it is very easy. Okay, so Python looks almost like English. Yeah, it is easy to understand. Okay, beginner friendly. Yeah, it is. It is not complicated syntax. What is this syntax? It's the grammar, like a rule. You have certain rules in every languages, right? Say same as that, we having certain rules how to code, how to write a code. It is very easy as compared to other languages. Okay, helps you focus on learning programming logic. Okay, okay. And then where it is used, is it beneficial when we learn that? It is, of course. It is used in web development, DJGO and Flash. These are the framework for that. And data science, we have pandas, numpy. These are the modules which is used for data analysis. And we have cybersecurity, game development, and automation and scripting. Well, let me go move further. Okay, Basic community, yeah, it is open source, which is a valid point. It's open source. Okay, there are tons of libraries, like I think it is on thousands libraries. I just googled it. Maybe you can type how many libraries does Python have, like that. Okay, jobs and careers. Python developers are in high demand, like the famous companies Google, Netflix, and Facebook, and uses Python. Okay, let's move further. Works on any platform, which is the biggest advantage. If you're a Mac user or Linux user, whatever you use, we can write code in it. Even there are certain mobile apps which gives us the advantage to write a Python code in it and also execute, not a powerful Python code, like a little bit, like small programs. And great for automation. You can use Python to automate boring tasks like renaming files, sending emails, collection. Yeah, sending emails, I already did some, like, for fun thing. And also like more advanced thing also, we will watch that in the coming series, right? What is this bottom line? It's quick summary. Python is powerful, easy, and useful across many careers. Okay, whether you are a student, future data scientist, or just curious about coding, it's an excellent first language to learn. Yeah, what is the main advantage from other languages? I have the option to learn C++, Java, JavaScript. Why should I learn this? It is easy to learn. Okay, rapid development. Python uses Python. Python uses? It uses interpreter, which executes line by line. Okay, but other languages usually use compilers, which have slight advantages on that. We will talk that about later. Great for data and AI. Why? It has a powerful libraries, which is the biggest advantage when we compare to other languages. Okay, like NumPy, pandas by for data analysis, and we have TensorFlow, which is usually used in AI, ML. Okay, other languages don't have this rich on an ecosystem for AI. That's why the famous Tesla for their cars using Python. Now you get why should we learn Python. It is used almost every field, which is easy to use and has its numerous advantages like libraries and open source too. Dynamic typing, no need to declare variables, which is a biggest advantage. We will study that in a further video. And we are having make prototyping and quickly, yeah. Mazu library support, yeah, we all just talked about that. Strong community and documentation. Okay, we are having cross platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, we even mobile. We are tools. These are the tools like frameworks, key and beware, which is used to make applications for Android and also for the desktop also. Okay, integrates easily with other languages. We can use Python in other languages, and also in Python we can use other languages also. Python isn't perfect. Yeah, it is not very perfect. It is slower than C and C++. That's why Tesla, it is working like it is transferring the coding like Python coding into C, right? Why it is very faster, much faster than Python. Not ideal for mobile apps. Like we have advanced languages like Java and Kotlin. Yeah, we have better options for developing mobile apps. Memory use is very high in this language. That's a disadvantage. So just go through that. We have simple text, fast development, and data science ready, cross platforms, community support, integration. That's all. We came to our end of the video. So that's it, the introduction part of this Python language. From the next video we will straightly go to the coding part, and we will start the coding, and also we will learn deeper. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please support me. I know there is little bit problem in the pronunciation, and also this is my first video. Please understand that this is my first video. I will gradually improve my skills. Okay guys, thank you, and please support me. Thank you. And yeah, I have a question. Just make sure and type like Google it, how many libraries do Python have. Okay, and also yeah, a case is going on like why Tesla is turning the Python coding into C and C++, why it is happening. Okay, just go and Google it. So we'll take something, and also there is something special on the next video. Just stay curious and don't hesitate to ask any type of question. I will make sure to answer every questions. Okay guys, thank you. Stay curious. Bye. And this is your Learn Deeper.